happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today we are going to move to part 2 of your chapter. Your chapter editing cell contents in Excel 2016. In the last video lesson, you learned how to insert the cell, how to insert rows, how to insert columns. Today we will learn how to delete cells, rows and columns. Okay dear children, I hope you have done the practical part. If you are still having any doubt, you are free to call me during the school hours. Okay, now dear children, you can also delete cells, rows and columns if required. हम डिलीट कर सकते हैं अगर हमको ज़रूरत है तो. ओके, now there are some action performed if we are choosing the options like this. These will be the actions which will be performed in Excel जब हम ये option choose करेंगे. If while deleting a cell, if we choose shift cells left, अगर हम ये option choose करेंगे तो जो selected cells होंगे वो delete हो जाएंगे and the cells on the right shift left, जो right side पे cells हैं वो left में shift हो जाएंगे. Shift cells up, selected cells are deleted and then the cells below them shift up, वो shift up हो जाएंगे. Entire row, so if you are selecting the entire row will be deleted. If you are selecting the entire column will be deleted. Come on, let's see how we can do this in practical part. Now see, if I want to delete this, okay, here I will just put my cursor. See here, roll number, name, marks. Here I have entered marks of Rohit 2 times. Rohit का name 2 बाहर है. If I want to delete it 1 time, ठीक है. So here you can see my cursor, delete cells. Okay, here I will click on delete cells. See, shift cells up means ये cell को up shift कर देंगे. If I am clicking on OK, see, one Rohit is being deleted and the Akshaya is being moved upwards. Okay, if I am choosing another option, see, delete cells, shift cell left. Okay, see, जो रोहित था वो डिलीट हो गया, बट जो मेरे राइट में सेल थे वो लेफ्ट साइड आ गए. ओके, वो लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट हो गए. दैट इज द मार्क्स. वो कहाँ शिफ्ट हो गए? नेम की जगह पे शिफ्ट हो गए. अंडरस्टूड इट वेरी वेल. नाउ इफ आई वांट टू डिलीट द एंटायर रो, अगर मुझे रोहित का पूरा रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं चाहिए, ओके, आई डोंट वांट द मार्क्स एज वेल, आई विल सिलेक्ट इट, देन आई विल क्लिक ऑन डिलीट सेल्स, then I will click on entire row. See, Rohit का पूरा record हट गया. Yes, understood how we can delete the entire row as well? Very well clear to you? Yes. Now there is a small lab time in your textbook. Okay, we will do the lab time as well. Now open a blank workbook and create the worksheet in sheet number 1. I have already created for you. We just now only saw in practicals that मैंने रोहित के 2 बार marks enter किए थे. Okay, I have already created a content for you all. Okay, now the first one is Rohit record is entered 2 times. So select row number 2 and delete it from the worksheet. We did this now only. हमने ये अभी किया, हमने उसका पूरा रो सिलेक्ट किया and then we deleted it from the worksheet. Now, second one, add 2 more rows between Divya and Akshaya to insert the following data in these rows. अब हमको rows insert करने, 2 rows insert करने हैं between these 2 names. That is the 4th and the 5th one के बीच में हमको insert करना है. Okay, come on, let's see. Now this is our Excel sheet. Here you will put your cursor. Okay, this cell will be selected, then you will right click it, then you will see the insert option. Okay, now I want to insert 2 rows. क्या था उसमें? 2 rows. So I will click on entire row. See, a row is being inserted between Divya and Akshaya, but still I want 1 more row to be inserted. Again, then I will right click it on it, then I will again click on insert, then I will click on entire row and then I will click on OK. Understood it? Then we will fill the detail, that is the 5th number and the name was Tushar and the marks given were 375. Okay, then the sixth one was Devyani and the marks given were 425. Understood it very well? Here we will change the number, roll number. Understood it? Yes. What is our third point? Now insert a blank column between name and roll number fields. Enter the heading class and the type of class of each student along with the section in that field. Now we want to insert a blank column. एक ही column हमको insert करना है. Yes. So what I have to do? I will again go back to my Excel sheet. Yes. Then I will put my cursor here. I will select the cell here. I will right click it. I will click on insert. Then I will click on entire column. See, an entire column is being here inserted here. Here I will put the heading class and then I will give different classes, that is first, then second, then third, like this. You can also do it like this. Understood it very well, dear children? How to do it in your practicals, how to insert a row, how to insert a column. Yes? Still having any doubts, you can call me. Understood? Now, the last one is how to change the row height and how to change the column width. अगर हमको कुछ changes चाहिए row height and row column में, how we can do that? Let's see the last part. Now, dear children, if I want to, you will go on the format tab, you will click on row height. Here you will put 17 for suppose. See, you can see the changes here. बड़ा हो गया column height. Then if I want to change the column width, I will click on column width 8.43. if I am inserting 9 here or 9.5. okay, you can see the changes. Column की width increase हो गई. In the same way you can increase or decrease the row height and the column width. First you have to select the cells. Okay, after selecting the cells you can go on the format tab and here you can change the row height and the column width. Understood it very well, dear children? Is it clear to you? Yes? Now moving on to our worksheet. Now there is a worksheet in your textbook on page number 98. Okay, you have to write the keyboard shortcuts of the following. क्या करना है आपको? कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट्स करने हैं. Now you have to write, you have to learn, and then you have to write the keyboard shortcut for all of these: undo, redo, cut, copy and paste. Ma'am has already given you the shortcut keys. You have to just remember it, then you have to fill it here. Next we are having explain the following term. The first one is overwriting. We have studied in our last video lesson, right? What is overwriting? जब हमको sometimes if we want to change the content of the cell completely, पूरा का पूरा change करना है, we use overwriting. And partial modification. What is partial modification? If we want to make some changes in our content, then we can use the partial modification. You can get the definition, you can get the terms, or you can get the reference of these terms from your chapter this, and it's on page number, dear children, it's on page number 88. Okay, you can get the reference of these terms from page number 88. If you are not getting it, you can call me. And the last one is write the steps to insert rows and columns. This also you will get it from your textbook. You have to learn it first, then you have to write it there itself in your textbook, and then you will send me the photo shot of it. Is it clear to you, dear children? Are you having any doubts in your in this chapter? No? Very good, dear children. I know my children are very smart enough. Okay, we will meet next time with something more in computer. Till then, dear children, bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.